After several hours of driving, we finally arrived here at Baler. It's currently 10:45 in the morning. Right now we're just on the boardwalk of Sabang Beach. I'm with JC and Clyde. It's only the three of us. This is the second time that I've been to Baler. The first time was around 2 years ago with this guy, but we were more back then.
You think you're gonna go balls to the walls?
Brad. My goal for today is to ride at least one wave. We had a little bit of a modification in our plans. We're now staying in, what's this place called again? Right Inn. We were supposed to stay at Charlie Does. Unfortunately, their rooms were taken. We looked around and luckily we found this room which has air conditioning, a bunk bed, and a solo bed. This place also has surfboard rentals with an instructor for 350 bucks. Hey everyone, good evening. I didn't record much videos since the last clips I took, so I'm just gonna give you guys a lowdown of what's been going on. We ate lunch at Charlie Does, and at 2 o'clock we headed back over here to the hotel room. We took a pretty long nap, woke up at around 4:30, and at around 4:30 we went over to the beach there and we went surfing for an hour. Now it was very difficult. Surfing is not an easy thing, especially considering that the waves right now are pretty strong. So right now we're gonna go get some grub at a seafood restaurant. So today was pretty uneventful except for the surfing, but tomorrow we got a lot of things planned. And also I'd like to point out that I can't really record video of us surfing because obviously this camera is not waterproof. That's just a consequence of losing my GoPro.